Good day everyone and welcome to episode 11 part 2 of Learn Invest Earn. My name is Soundarya Lakshmi Narayanan and this series is in association with Alice Blue to help new investors kickstart their journey of investing. In the last video, we saw about the different types of mutual funds and why you should invest in direct mutual fund schemes. Click the I button above to watch that episode if you have missed it. In today's video, we are going to see about expense ratio and how to get started on buying Alice Blue mutual funds. Let's jump right in. What is expense ratio? For instance, when a manufacturer is making clothes, there will be many costs associated with them like advertising fees, wear and tear of the machinery, design fees, etc. Similarly, managing mutual funds also comes with a cost for the AMCs like administration fees, audit fees, registrar fees, custodian fees, etc. All these fees will be deducted from the net value of the mutual funds. So, when you invest in a regular mutual fund, along with the management and operating expenses listed above, the AMCs will add the extra cost of commission to the agents to the net value of the fund. Check out the table to understand how the expense ratio affects your investment value with different types of mutual funds. Regular plan versus direct plan investment. Duration is 25 years for both. Expected returns is 15%. Expense ratio in regular plan is 0.69%. Expense ratio in direct plan is 0.29%. Investment value after 25 years will be rupees 36.76 lakhs in regular plan. Investment value after 25 years will be 39.52 lakhs in direct plan. You save a wow amount of 3.76 lakhs if you invest via direct plan. Now let's deep dive and look into the features of Alice Blue mutual funds. Search fund. To help you find the best mutual funds, Alice Blue helps you with filter the funds are based on scheme type, risk parameter, AMC, scheme types, commodity, mutual fund investments in metals like gold, silver, etc. Debt. Debt mutual funds invest in fixed income securities like treasury bills, corporate bonds, government bonds, commercial papers, etc. Debt funds are low risk investment options as the securities invested come with fixed interest rates and maturity dates. Equity. Equity mutual funds invest in different shares of companies. Further, equity mutual funds are categorized based on market capitalizations like small cap, mid cap, large cap and multi cap. The risk of mutual funds varies depending on the market capitalization. Small cap funds come with a higher risk category. Mid cap funds are moderately risky. Multi-cap funds are moderately risky. Large cap funds carry low risk. Hybrid. Hybrid mutual funds invest your money in equity and debt securities. The combination of equity and debt securities varies depending on the objective of the scheme. Aggressive hybrid funds. Aggressive hybrid funds are a balance of equity and debt funds that invest up to 75% of the fund primarily in stocks and 25% in debt securities. Balanced hybrid funds. Balanced hybrid funds invest up to 50% of the fund in stocks and the other 50% in debt securities. Equity savings funds. Equity savings funds invest up to 65% of the fund in stocks and 35% in debt securities. Conservative hybrid funds. Conservative hybrid funds invest up to 35% of the fund in stocks and 65% in debt securities. Risk parameter. You can choose any risk parameter from the below and get the mutual funds that will suit your risk appetite. High risk, low risk, moderate risk, moderately high risk, moderately low risk. Different AMCs. If you have a favorite AMC, choose one and get complete all mutual fund schemes that are offered by that particular AMC. Your favorite AMC might be Axis, BNP Paribas, Bharati AXA, HDFC, ICICI, UTI, etc. I am super excited to invest in direct mutual fund scheme. But how to get started with Alice Blue Mutual Funds? It's simple. Follow these steps. Step 1. Visit the link in the description and start using Alice Blue Mutual Funds for free.